For the next 2 weeks, we are going to take a closer look at genetics. As soon as you make a new cell, that cell contains all the information needed to build a unique human being. The instructions that tell the body how to develop are genes, and the study of genes is genetics. Genes are sections of a chemical called DNA, which is packed in bundles called chromosomes inside a control unit called the nucleus. Human cells have 46 chromosomes. You inherit them from your parents. So here you'll see that we have our cell. Our cell is over here, and our cell has a nucleus, and that has chromosomes. You see the chromosomes look like X's. These chromosomes unravel into these helixes called genes or DNA. And each DNA is also something else. Your 46 chromosomes can be arranged in pairs called homologous chromosomes. These carry paired genes or paired gene groups. Each gene or gene group on one chromosome has a partner on the paired chromosome. Complicated. But before cells divide for growth or repair by mitosis, all the chromosomes make copies of themselves, so each new cell has 46. But sex cells are made by a special type of cell division called meiosis. So it starts with the father's 23 cells and the mother's 23 cells, and they come together in fertilization and make you 46 cells. Okay, there's the embryo. Before chromosomes split apart to make sex cells, a certain amount of swapping of gene pairs take place. So each new child from the same parents will be different with different genes. Otherwise, they'll just be making clones of themselves. So let's review that again. Each cell has a nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have chromosomes that look like what? X. And these unravel into DNA strands. And each DNA strand contains your genes. And each DNA strand has this little block here called building blocks. Each one has two. Can you see it? They are called nucleotides. So, how do we know if you're going to have a boy or a girl? Well, two chromosomes, called the sex chromosomes, determine whether a baby develops as a male or a female. These chromosomes are known as the X and Y chromosomes. So, your mom has two X's and your dad has an X and a Y. If your mom's first X and your dad's first X come together, then they have girls. Yay. And if your mom's second X and your dad's first X, it's also a girl. But if any of your mom's two X's come together with your dad's Y, then you have a little baby brother.
I want a baby brother now.
Let us review. Our cells contain chromosomes. Our chromosomes are made up of DNA strands. Our DNA strands are made up of genes and DNA building blocks called nucleotides. We have 46 chromosomes. We get 23 from our mom and we get 23 from our dad. Two chromosomes are called the sex chromosomes. Girls have an X and an X, and boys have an X and a Y.